Maria Sklodowska was born in Warsaw, Poland on November 7, 1867. It was a time of great intellectual curiosity, but Poland was under foreign rule. Opportunities for education were limited, especially for women. Maria yearned for knowledge, she devoured books, she excelled in her studies. Despite facing hardship and discrimination, Maria's spirit remained unbroken. She knew that education was her ticket to a better future. Her parents, both educators, instilled in her a love for learning. This love would guide Maria on her extraordinary journey. Maria dreamed of studying at the Sorbonne in Paris. It was a world-renowned university. It embraced new ideas, but she needed financial support. So, she worked as a governess for several years. She saved every penny she could. Finally, at the age of 24, her dream came true. Maria arrived in Paris, ready to conquer the world of science. Paris buzzed with intellectual energy. The Sorbonne was a melting pot of ideas. Maria, now known as Marie, thrived in this environment. She immersed herself in physics and mathematics. It was in Paris that she met Pierre Curie. They shared a passion for science. In 1895, Marie and Pierre wed. They embarked on a partnership that would change the world forever. Marie Curie made a revolutionary observation. The intensity of uranium rays was directly proportional to the amount of uranium present. The rays were not dependent on the uranium's chemical form or physical state. This led her to a profound conclusion. The rays originated from the atom itself. This was a radical idea. It challenged the existing view of the atom as indivisible and unchanging. In 1898, Marie and Pierre Curie announced the discovery of two new elements. They named the first element polonium, after Marie's homeland, Poland. The second element, they called radium. Both were far more radioactive than uranium. Their discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The Curies coined the term radioactivity. In 1903, Marie Curie made history. She became the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize in Physics. She shared the honor with Pierre and Henri Becquerel. This award recognized their extraordinary contributions to radioactivity. Section 4. A loss, a legacy, and unwavering determination. Tragedy struck in 1906. Pierre Curie died in a street accident. Marie was devastated. She lost her beloved husband and scientific partner, but she found strength in her work. She continued their research with even greater resolve. She was determined to honor Pierre's legacy. The University of Paris offered Marie a position. She became the first female professor in the university's history. She continued her research on radioactivity. She also devoted herself to teaching. She inspired a new generation of scientists. Her lectures were legendary. Students flocked from all over the world to learn from the brilliant Madame Curie. Marie's research focused on isolating pure radium. It was a challenging and dangerous task. Radium was extremely rare and radioactive. She worked tirelessly for years. Finally, in 1910, she succeeded. Her breakthrough paved the way for the development of new cancer treatments. Section 5. A second Nobel Prize in Scientific Recognition. Marie Curie's groundbreaking work continued to garner international acclaim. In 1911, she received her second Nobel Prize. This time it was in chemistry. This unprecedented achievement recognized her for isolating pure radium. It cemented her place as a scientific icon. Marie Curie's discoveries had profound implications. They revolutionized our understanding of matter and energy. Her work laid the foundation for new fields of science. Nuclear physics and radiation therapy owe their existence to Marie Curie's pioneering research. Despite her extraordinary accomplishments, Marie Curie faced gender discrimination throughout her career. Many scientific societies refused to admit her because she was a woman. Her work was often dismissed. Some even attributed her successes to her husband, but Marie persevered. She let her work speak for itself. Section 6. A beacon of hope in times of war. When World War I erupted in 1914, Marie Curie saw an opportunity to use her knowledge to save lives. She recognized the potential of X-rays in locating shrapnel in wounded soldiers. She designed mobile X-ray units. These units became known as Petites Curies. They were deployed to the front lines. Marie Curie personally trained over 150 women to operate these mobile X-ray units. These women risked their lives to provide life-saving medical care to soldiers on the battlefield. Marie Curie's selfless efforts during the war earned her the admiration of the world. She became a symbol of courage and compassion. Marie Curie's contributions to science and medicine were immeasurable. Her groundbreaking discoveries transformed our understanding of the atom. Her work led to the development of new medical treatments. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists and medical professionals around the world.